I've lost a lot of races by .002 seconds, 0.006 seconds. That's, a blink of an eye. I switched from the Gen 2 Coyote engine to the Gen 3. I had a great year in 2020, and I was able to come out of the gates guns blazing. I finished strong in 2020, and I basically picked up where I left off. I'm still working on figuring out how to shift the Gen 3 over the Gen 2. I've been playing around with RPMs. The Gen 2, I shifted at 7,000 RPM every gear. This year is different. I'm not really sure where it likes it. I think I'm within 300 to 100 RPMs, and I think the weather plays a big part. It's kind of tough. I think it comes down though to suspension and just being consistent. I don't know that it's rocket science and reinventing a wheel, but it seems like it likes more RPM. A lot funner when you're at the top, and since 2019 Bowling Green till present, I've had a really good car. I've had a lot of good people behind me. I got guys willing to step up and help me out. I think the class has tightened up because people are sharing information, trying to help each other out. They might know something that somebody else doesn't know. I know with the guys that I'm helping, I'm sharing everything 100%. There's some things that I've kept close to my chest until I'm able to verify it, because if I say, hey, I tried a new, let's say, spark plugs, and sometimes by the times I can change it, I mean, in this class, we're chasing hundreds, thousands. Sometimes that's the difference on the stripe. They know what I know. The crazy part is sometimes they just don't listen. That's God's honest truth.